Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Minecraft on iPad with keyboard and mouse. First, you will need to connect your wireless keyboard and mouse to your iPad using Bluetooth. Next, ensure your iPad's operating system is up to date for the best compatibility. Finally, launch the game and make a few quick adjustments in the settings to fully enable your new control scheme. It's a straightforward process that will significantly enhance your gameplay. To begin, open the Settings app on your iPad and tap on the Bluetooth option. Make sure Bluetooth is toggled on. Then, activate the pairing mode on both your wireless keyboard and your mouse. You will typically see a small light blinking on the devices when they are ready to connect. Once they appear in the iPad's device list, simply tap on each one to establish a secure connection. This usually takes just a few moments. Once your devices are connected, launch Minecraft and head into the game's settings menu. Look for the touch section, and within that, you will find an option called Split Controls. It is crucial to disable this feature to allow your mouse to function like a traditional computer mouse. You can also fine-tune your mouse sensitivity and customize keybinds to match your personal playstyle, giving you precise control over your character. To truly maximize your experience, consider using a stable, flat surface for your mouse, like a mouse pad, to ensure smooth and accurate movements. Take some time to practice navigating and engaging in combat with your new setup. It might feel different at first. The precision and speed offered by a keyboard and mouse will give you a significant advantage, especially in building and player versus player scenarios. Enjoy your enhanced Minecraft adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.